Hello sweet family, welcome back once again. Today we are going to be making very delicious salad. So without further ado, let's get started. So for my ingredients here, I'll be using potato, Irish potato, onion and fresh tomatoes. I have here some carrot and cucumber, sweet peas, boiled eggs, and I'm going to go ahead and then slice and then chop these potatoes into cubes. You can also go ahead and then boil everything together before cutting them. Sometimes I do it this way, sometimes I boil everything together before cutting them into smaller pieces. So here I'm going ahead to cut my carrot into cubes also, and you can cut yours into the sizes that you like. And here I have here my cucumber also, and this is the size that I like. And here I'm just cutting my fresh tomatoes also. And then here I have onions. You can add more ingredients into this recipe if you so wish. So here I have water already on the fire and it's boiled, and I'll just add about a half a teaspoon of salt and then adding my sweet peas, and I just boil this for about 2 minutes because you don't want this to be overcooked. So this is perfect, and I'm just going to transfer it into a cold water. You can also add some ice cubes if you do wish, but the weather is very cold now and this water is very chilled. So I'll just strain this water and add another cold water and leave it to cold. So I'm going ahead now to add my carrot because the carrot is a bit stronger than the potato. So I'll just let this carrot cook for about 1 minute before adding in my potatoes. So I went ahead and add the potato, cover this and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. You don't want to overcook this because if not, your salad is going to be too soft and too tacky. So it's done. So because of the potato, I'm not going to be putting this in the water. I'll just leave it to cool down completely before using it. So this is the perfect texture that I want. Everything is perfect, not too cooked and not too uncooked. So I'll go ahead to chop in some parsley. As I said before, you can go ahead and add any ingredients that you prefer to this recipe. Any vegetables that you want to add, you can go ahead and do so. So everything is cooled down. I just transfer my potatoes, the carrot, cucumber, all the ingredients. I just mix all together and I'll just add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can also add more if you wish to, but 2 is perfect for this recipe. And then go ahead to mix everything together. This salad is super delicious and very easy and quick to do. You have 2 ways. You can boil all together before cutting them, or you can also cut them freshly before you go ahead and boil. So at this moment, I'm just adding some white pepper, and then I'll go ahead to add in my chopped parsley. You can also add some garlic if you so wish. And then I have here my boiled eggs, which I cut into cubes. And then go ahead to mix all together. I tested it and now I'm going to add just a pinch of salt to it. And that's it. You go ahead to mix all, make sure all is well mixed. And now you just cover this with your foil of your plastic bag and just leave it in the refrigerator to cool down before serving. And there we are, it's ready, and I'm just going ahead to serve. And you can have this for your parties, for your friends, for your family, for some get together. This is so quick and simple, so I hope you guys like this. Please do not forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.